Hi, so I'm back again with my third video, and today I'll be doing my everyday makeup look. I just want to do something that's easy and quick. And if you guys want to know how I'm creating this look, keep watching. And first, I'll prime my face with Too Faced Hangover primer. And move on to foundation. Of course, Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade Y335. I won't be applying this with my beauty blender this time. I will use my hand, actually my finger, sorry, because I wanted to give this look and like kind of like a soft natural look. So now that's done, and I'll move on to my concealer. And I'll be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD again, but this is in the shade Y31. And next, moving on to powdering my face, I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade Transparent, which is 001. And next I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, but I won't necessarily be using my eyeshadow palette or anything, but I'll be using my highlighter from Bobbi Brown, which is the Shimmer Brick Compact in the shade Pink. And this is how it looks like. Moving on to my eyelashes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Volum Express Mascara. What I like about this mascara is that it really makes my eyelashes look really different. Like, it really gives my eyelashes a lot of volume, and second is like waterproof too, which is a bonus. And I'm gonna be doing my lower lashes too. Okay, so now I'm done with my eyelashes. I'm going to be bronzing my face with the NYC bronzing powder. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose with the same bronzing powder. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Zara Brow Stylist Frame and Set in the shade Warm Brunette. So this is what it looks like. And it's like a creamy eyebrows filling. It's also come with this pointy brush, and it has two sides. This is what I like about this product, because it's come with a brush and it's really convenient. And I really love this brush. I am really new to this, like filling my eyebrows out, because as you guys know that I have like a really thick eyebrows, so I don't really need to do a lot with my eyebrows, but I want to try something different. So I've been using this product lately and I really like it. And also it's not really like expensive. Okay, I'm done with filling my eyebrows out, but I'm not quite finished with my eyebrows yet because I'll be using this Maybelline brow mascara, and this is in the shade Rusty Brown. So what I want to do is that I'm going to use this eyebrows mascara to make my eyebrows lighter because this is like dark for me. So move on to my cheek. Today I'm going to be using this blush on my cheek, which is from NYX, and this is in the color Bitten. It's kind of like a pink and it's also like glittery too. I don't know if you can see it from this camera, but yeah, I'm going to be using this. And now moving on to highlighting my face. Obviously, I mean, you can't beat this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in the shade pink. I'm going to be using that again all over my face and where I need to be highlight. And last but not least, my lips. I'm going to be using this Too Faced Melted Matte for my lips. And this is in the color Colossal. I really love this color because you can wear it with any makeup you want. It will just go with it. And for today's outfit, I'm wearing this Zara dress and these earrings are from H&M. So this is how I look today, and I hope that this video helps the person who just started to do their makeup. And also this makeup look is very, very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.